Shillong City and its adjoining areas today bore a deserted look due to the imposition of curfew by East Khasi Hills District Administration. However, it was seen that some of the people hastily rushed to their own houses after purchasing essential goods through back doors. Some vehicles were also seen plying on the roads for urgent work. The police are keeping a close watch at the plying of two-wheelers, and many of them have been asked to produce curfew passes beside interrogation of their movements.